Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a DIY home air purifier. This is extremely useful because this homemade air purifier filters viruses, pollen, smoke, household dust, and pet dander. So this is the box fan I bought. As you can see, it is 20 inches or 51 centimeters. It has 3 settings and I bought it on Home Depot, so make sure you check out your nearest Home Depot to buy the exact same one. Here are some of the measurements. Of course, you can buy one that is smaller or bigger. Just make sure that it fits the size because you don't want to get one that's too big or too small. That would reduce its effectiveness. Now here is the filter. As you can see, it is the same size as the box fan. As I mentioned previously, this filter removes many allergens like bacteria, smoke, viruses. It also filters out mold, spores, dust, and pet dander. For our box fan, we bought a filter with the size of 20 by 20 by 1 inches. This is the exact same size as our fan and makes sure that the DIY home air purifier will work effectively. Now make sure to thoroughly inspect your air filter to make sure that it is top quality and ensures the best filtration. As you can see, this one is very easy to replace. As for when we show you how to set it up, you will also notice that it is very easy to take off and put on, so that will definitely make your life easier. Now, if we take a look at the front side, it lists all of the things that it'll remove, which is amazing to see that it removes up so many things. Remember that this purifier also lasts up to 3 months, so make sure to change the filter every 3 months so that you are still obtaining its benefits. And that is the pure air filter that we bought. As you can see, it looks effective, it is going to be effective, and now we will show you how to put all of this together, so the box fan and the air filter. So to assemble this, you must first unbox the box fan. This is what it looks like, and now you will take your box fan and lay it front side down, or as shown on the video. So here is the box fan. Now what we will do is we are going to take our air filter and we are basically going to put it on top of the box fan. So here is the arrow. As you can see, you must place the arrow side down. So the arrow is pointing downwards, thus we will place the filter as shown downwards. So now what you are going to do is you are going to take some painter's tape or any kind of tape available, and basically you are going to be taping the filter to the box fan, ensuring that it is taped completely so that it is able to filter out all of those allergens effectively. Here we have placed a piece of tape at the bottom, and we are going to place it at near the center of the filter to ensure that it is stable. And we are going to be placing another one near the top. As I mentioned previously, this air purifier will do wonders. It'll make your house feel fresher and cleaner because you are getting rid of all of those things that might cause you to be sick, which is just amazing. So now we are placing another piece of tape near the edge, once again to ensure that it is fully secured so that there are no loose edges, and to make sure that the box fan and air filter together will work amazingly. So now that we have placed the first set of tape on the air filter, we are going to place a second set just to ensure once again that everything is 100% secured and that this box fan and the air filter together work effectively and really purify the air around it. So now that we have put all the tape onto the air purifier, we are going to test it out and see how this works. So make sure to plug in your air purifier and we're going to show you how well this works. So now that the fan is on, if you were to take a piece of paper as shown, it will stick right against the fan, which is amazing because that is exactly what we want bacteria, allergens, mold, and dust to do. We want them to be sucked right into the filter and make sure that everything is being taken out of the air that might cause us harm. So like this paper, it'll just go right into the filter and it'll filter everything out to make sure that you are getting the cleanest and best air possible. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you try this DIY home air purifier at home because it is very simple, easy, and effective. This purifier will remove various allergens such as viruses, bacteria, dust, and literally everything and make your home a more clean environment. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Have a great day. Bye everyone.